Today we're going to look at the difference between changes in quantity demanded and changes in demand. To start this video, we will be using the market for apples to explain the difference between the change in quantity demanded and the change in demand. You can see the market for apples in the left-hand side of the screen. First, in this video, we're going to talk about changes in quantity demanded. So, as the price of apples increases from PA to PB, the quantity demanded for apples decreases from QA to QB. In other words, this is simply a movement along the demand curve, from point A to point B, on the same demand curve of D0 in our example on the left. Now let's take a look at the opposite case. As the price of apples decreases from PA to PC, the quantity demanded for apples increases from QA to QC. This is also a movement along the same demand curve of D0 from point A to point C. In other words, anytime we have a change in price, we will move along our existing demand curve. Now we're going to look at changes in demand. As income, for example, increases, the demand for apples increases. This is because apples are a normal good. The demand curve for apples will shift to the right to represent this increase of demand. In our example, this is the shift from D0 to D1. Let's take a look at the opposite case. As the price of oranges, for example, decreases, the demand for apples will also decrease. This is because apples and oranges are substitutes. Therefore, the demand curve for apples will shift to the left to represent this decrease in demand for apples.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.